morning, everyone. Before we begin, let's make a quick attendance. When I call your name, please respond so I know you're here today. Thank you, everyone. Today, we're going to have some fun with our language. We're starting with a game called Follow My Comment. Listen carefully to the instruction I give. Stand up. Clap your hands. Touch your nose. Great job, everyone, for following these comments. Now, I would like to ask, what did you notice about the way I spoke when I was giving those instructions? Feel free to share your thoughts. Excellent observation. The sentence I used to give you all, those are comments, are what we call imperative sentence. They're used to use is to comments or requests, and you might haven't noticed that I didn't say you. It just understood. Okay, so let's look a little deeper at what makes an imperative sentence. An imperative sentence usually starts with a verb followed by the object or an additional details, and the subject is left out because it's implied to be you. For example, if I say open the door, it really understood as you open the door. Watch me as I say go there, go there. Now, I want you to repeat after me. Go there. Very good, everyone. Remember, these sentences are direct and to the point. Okay, now let's move to work together to create some imperative sentence. Imagine this is a scenario you want to ask a friend to turn off the light because it's getting too bright. What imperative sentence could you use? Alright, who would like to share your sentence? I'll write your ideas on the board. Great job, everyone! By constructing this sentence together, you can see how this structure works in a real-life context. Now, it's your turn. Please take your worksheet and write down 3 imperative sentences that you might use in your daily life. Think of clear, direct comments or requests. You have a few minutes to complete this task. Okay, everyone, time's up. Would a few of you like to share your sentence aloud? Fantastic! To wrap up our lessons today, we're going to play a quick game called Imperative Chairs. Here's how it works. One volunteer will give another imperative sentence and another volunteer will act out the comment without speaking. Let's choose someone to start. Okay, before we finish, let's do a quick recap. Can someone tell me what key thing you learned or key phrases you learned about imperative sentence today? Great job, everyone. For today, we learned that imperative sentences are used for comments. They usually start with a verb and the subject you is understood. Keep practicing this in your writing and speaking. Thank you for your active participation and have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Pew.